So we made it to the spot. It's very windy. It's way colder than we expected.
It's way colder.
We're getting ready. The dogs are whining in the car. They're ready to go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, Chicky.
So I guess we should say what we're doing, or where we went at least. Do you know the name of it?
I have no idea. I have the map. I know where we're supposed to go, but
Well,
I do not know the name.
It doesn't have like an exact name. It's like 3 different trails that kind of connect to form a loop. And it's about 12 miles. So we're just gonna do one overnight backpacking. And I mean, it's located, we're like in western North Carolina, like west of Asheville, west of Brevard, kind of off of the Blue Ridge Parkway.
One of the trails is named the Cedar Mountains Trail.
Cedar Mountain Trail, which, as it sounds, you can start in the mountains, go all the way to the coast. But we just kind of were on it for a hot second.
But we drove as high as we could. Like, we're so high up right now.
Yeah.
The wind is wild.
But yeah, I don't know if our GoPro just turned off and just went blank. Check it. What happened?
It's still recording. Okay.
Alright, it's still going. Cut that. But yeah, 12 miles. I don't know what the plan is today. Somewhere, there's supposed to be camping spots around the 9-mile marker, so we're shooting for that. But we've never been here, so we'll have to feel it out as we go.
Hopefully find some water.
Hopefully
we brought
find
some water, but like, it's always good to have water to cook and wash off a little.
But yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah.
We'll give updates as we go. Hopefully it gets warmer. Big stick. I don't know. That's too big. I think that's too big.
I don't think we can carry that for 14 miles. Yeah, I'm sorry. Can't carry that. Woo. It's looking cool. I'm definitely getting warm.
Me too.
So I think it's time to shed some layers. Look at those views. We're here in early spring, if you can even call these spring, so there's no leaves on the trees, but I think that's just kind of cool because you get to see through the branches and really see all the mountains. So if I were a bear, this is where I would live. And
There's been a lot of bear talk lately. No bear sightings, but
no bear or human sightings.
possible poop sightings, but we don't know what bear poop exactly looks like.
We should be like better equipped, like have done more research.
Yeah.
We're debating exactly what you have to do for a black bear and not a grizzly bear. Should have maybe done all that research ahead of time.
Well, I do, and then I forget every time.
I know, but it's pretty cool. This is very pretty. There's a lot of pines everywhere.
We're at the Devil's Courthouse. It's one of the lookout points on this trail, although you can access it just from the parking lot below, but we kind of passed it on the loop that we're doing.
Took a long way in.
We did.
We're only like 2 miles in, but
It was
beautiful.
It was a hard 2 miles. It was 2 miles of stairs, basically.
There's another dog coming.
But whew. So we're taking our first break of the day. We found a nice spot underneath the trees where it's not so windy, because there have been some intense wind gusts on this hike.
They're freezing cold too.
It's cold and super loud and a little bit scary when the trees start making noises, but the spot has a little bit of sun and it's quiet, and I'm starving.
We are like almost 4 miles in, if not 4 already. Let's check.
Here, I'll work on the food. Oh.
Nah, I'm wrong. We're only 3 miles in.
Oh.
3.09 miles in.
It's very slow moving because it rained a lot this morning and all of the trails are very wet.
Yes. They're wet, they're slippery.
Some are straight up creeks that you have to walk through, but that's okay.
Look at you opening
I
this
know.
now.
Figured
That's
it out.
very good.
So for lunch we have gummy worms, sour gummy worms. That's what I'm most excited about. And we have some nice sub sandwiches from our local grocery store, Ingles. Shout out Ingles if you know what Ingles is. I think that's it. Then I have some mustard and mayonnaise in there. What do you want? Mustard and mayonnaise?
Yeah, I'll take both. I also will love my jacket right now.
Yeah? Okay, I'll work on that.
I carry all the food, which
I
takes a lot
carry
of space.
all the water.
No, you do, but it's just like this takes a lot of space.
No,
so
I
like
know.
I cannot like put my jacket back in my backpack.
We try to make it as evenly distributed as possible.
Thank you.
It is a little chilly in this spot.
I was trying to find somewhere sunny, but we went into this forest.
I know, we got into a stretch where there was like no good spots to really stop. So we just compromised for this one, which is
It's good.
not
I
bad.
like the
not
little.
bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna eat some lunch. Probably turn off the camera so nobody has to stare at us eating for the next 15 minutes, but that's
But-
where we are.
Quick update on the dogs.
Oh God, you want to see
Chispa.
this dog? Come here. Come
Oh
here.
wait. There's a dog on the trail.
Look at this dog.
What is this?
Oh, calm down.
That's so embarrassing. You know. Hi.
What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do?
Sadie.
Say.
They never do that when we're walking, but I think the fact that we're just sitting here and they were on the trail just was too much. Hey.
Embarrassing.
Come back.
Unacceptable. Goodness. You want a treat? Well, go lay down. Go lay down. There's no shortage of views on this hike. So we're like at the top of this, I don't know what you call this.
Here, let's see if the map says.
See if it has a name, but it's pretty cool up here. It's like completely different vegetation, a lot of exposed rock, sun. It's warm up here. Did it have a name?
No, there was a name for where we first saw like the cliff, and it's Silver Mine Bold.
Bald. That's a good.
Mhm.
It's like a bald. But yeah, pretty cool. We're making our way. Starting to run into a lot more people though.
Yes.
But
It's very pretty.
what's next?
We're gonna cross some roads
We're gonna cross some roads.
and make it to the other side.
All right then, let's do it. Cheeky! Yes, good jump, good jump. All right, we are
Going up to Black Balsam.
Black Balsam. It's like this big ridge or knob that you can get on top of and eventually summit. And it looks completely different up there. It's like,
There's no trees. Like
Very
that is the only tree.
yeah, this one pine is all by itself. And I don't know if you can hear any of this. We might have to dub over all of it.
It's very windy.
It's very windy. Very, very windy.
This is crazy, but it's so cool.
Yeah,
It looks completely different to
Yeah.
the forest we have been hiking on.
It's a cool like change of scenery.
It's also like the sun is out, so it feels very good, but then the wind is freezing cold. So
Yeah, especially when you're standing in the shade like we
Yeah.
are right this very second.
let's
So
keep
we're
going.
gonna keep going. We're gonna hike up these stairs that I'll show you in a second. And then we'll whip out the camera again when we get to the summit. Man down! Man down!
It's so windy. I can barely walk.
It's a little bit windy. Acting like a sail.
It just hits the back. It throws me off. But we're pretty high up. Got nice aids. Wow. Very nice. The water's yellow. So we're trying to decide where to camp.
And we've
It's
never been here before, so
kind of like scooping the area.
scoping.
Scoping. Close enough. I knew it was something like that.
We have some options, which is honestly the problem.
Yes.
We're gonna get too greedy and then maybe
There-
lose one of our good spots that we found.
There's not a lot of people. There was a very nice little camp spot over there next to a very small creek. That one is making my top 5
Yeah,
right
no,
now.
that's my number 1 right now.
Okay.
But we're gonna cross this river and see what's on the other side and see if there's anything better.
Not that one. I don't like this. I think we can take our shoes off. And what about Cheapy? You go, go, Cheeky, go.
Jump, Daddy! Come on! You're so close!
She did it!
Alright, so we made it across the river and we actually found a pretty cool campsite on the other side. So That's the one we're going with. We'll show you around to our new home, crib style. Nice fire pit, some
With
nice.
some chairs.
Came with furniture. That was a plus. And the campsite sits right where these two streams converge into this bigger channel that we crossed a little further downstream. So, I don't know, I don't think we could have asked for something better.
Oh, this is great.
The trail is like right up
There.
on that kind of hill. So it sits up there. So we typically don't like to camp too close to the trail just because of the dogs and people walking by, but this one was hard to pass up. You happy?
I'm happy.
Chispa, are you happy?
She's kind of trying to stay warm.
It's too cold?
Yeah.
Where's your sweater? Who forgot your sweater?
I did not forget her sweater. The last times I've packed her a sweater, she's refused to move while she's wearing it. So I said,
Likely
no sweater.
story. I don't know.
No sweater this time.
I don't know if that one's gonna hold up in court.
And she's shaking.
Sage, what do you think? Yeah? Okay. Thanks for your input.
So we finished setting up the tent. We brought our sleeping bags in, our pillows. The puppies got a little warmer and took a little nap. But now we are gonna head back on the same trail a couple miles and climb to another summit.
Yeah, it's like a small mountain. We skipped it
On the way here.
Yeah, on the way here because we were tired and we didn't know where we were going to find a camp spot, but we still have quite a few hours of daylight left, so I think we're going to go back and hike to the top and back down.
And if I stay here, I'm just gonna end up taking a nap, and
Yeah, me too.
that means I'm not gonna sleep tonight. So I just need to just keep draining my body
Keep
of
moving.
all its energy.
And get really ready for dinner.
Yeah. So we're heading back a little bit, and that is the mountain we're climbing now. Geologist, could we get an explanation here?
It's a lot of quartz.
That's the biggest quartz I've ever seen in my life.
I love the wind. It's great.
It is great. Right now it's a little too much, but we made it to the top. Pretty cool view. Did you bring one for me?
They didn't ask me to.
Great.
Bath time.
Bath time. Ready?
Oh, yeah, some cold water. All right. Run.
Jake.
Shake.
There we go. Let's go.
It's raining.
Well, now it's stopping. It was really raining like 40 minutes ago, so we just decided to cuddle with all the puppies. Here's
Sure.
one,
Cold puppies.
here's the other one, and we're waiting it out. What do you think, Kiki? I really wish I brought my sweater. This is ridiculous.
So we ate breakfast, had some coffee, and now we're walking out to our car. The way we did the trail, we only have like 3 miles to go, but this is very cool. Like, we're walking along the same creek we were sleeping next to. I don't know if you can see, but there's like falls.
No, there's a cool
falls.
waterfall. It's like really long, but we haven't found a good spot to really see it.
Oh, and that's Balsam Knob where we climbed to yesterday. Well, hiked up to, we didn't climb.
Yeah.